welcome back to Recipes Mania. So we are getting into the fall season. Not that you can really tell here in Florida, but nevertheless I decided to go ahead and make you guys a fall video today. So I am going to be making a pumpkin pie milkshake. So in my blender I have some ice, and I'm going to add some milk, some vanilla ice cream, a couple good scoops of that, and we have some pumpkin. This is 100% pumpkin, and you can find this in a can. So we'll add some of that in. And then acting as our pie crust, I have some graham crackers that I started crushing up. And then we're going to do a splash of vanilla extract, just a little bit. Sprinkle in some cinnamon. And sprinkle some pumpkin pie spice. And we'll go ahead and pop on our lid and blend it up. Alright, so here it is, and it comes out this beautiful color for fall. I did think it needed a little bit more sweetness, so I added some honey, or you could do like maple syrup or maybe some agave. And then I have a glass here that we're going to go ahead and pour it in. Look how pretty that looks. And then, because what is pumpkin pie without whipped cream, I have some right here. And then we can sprinkle on a little bit of cinnamon just for decoration. And a piece of graham cracker there. And then we can add in our straw. And that is yummy. Alright, so thank you for watching. I hope that you will try this for yourself and let us know what you think in the comments. And we'll see you here next time back on Recipes Mania. Bye!